Every knife and fork begins as raw steel, sourced and prepared with care. Material selection defines the strength of every finished tool. Precision begins before shaping ever starts.
Clean steel ensures consistent forging results.
Preparation protects material integrity. Different tools demand different steel properties. Raw steel now begins its controlled movement. Stability here prevents flaws later. Only approved steel moves forward. This steel now travels toward decades of craftsmanship. Transport begins with precise alignment and control.
Easy, easy. Right there and stop.
Balanced loading protects the steel's integrity. Every load is secured for the miles ahead. Inspection ensures safe arrival. Raw material now leaves its origin. Distance connects raw steel to skilled hands. After miles of travel, the destination appears. Here, tradition meets preparation. Exact positioning sets the pace inside. The factory receives its raw foundation.
For over 50 years, this factory has shaped steel into everyday tools.
Every arrival follows a practiced routine. Raw steel crosses the threshold into controlled production.
Verification happens before steel goes any further.
Inside, every path leads toward shaping.
Generations of skill live within these walls. Material flow follows a proven layout. Beyond these doors, steel begins to change. Preparation sets the rhythm for production. Steel now advances to its first transformation step. Before shaping begins, steel must be perfectly clean.
Accuracy is set before the first cut.
Surface impurities are stripped away with controlled force. Chemical washing ensures a neutral steel surface. Drying prepares steel for accurate sorting.
Looks good. Only flawless steel continues forward.
Different tools demand different starting forms. Accuracy is set before the first cut. Steel is now sized for shaping. Heat prepares steel for controlled shaping. Temperature unlocks steel's malleability. Timing is critical once heat is applied. Power gives steel its first identity. Each tool follows its own shaping path. Precision begins with removing excess. Cooling stabilizes the new form. Formed steel waits for refinement. Core shaping gives way to precision.
Grinding refines the blade's true shape.
Steel yields slowly under measured pressure. Forks demand balance and uniformity. Accuracy defines performance. Function is shaped through repetition. Refinement prepares steel for strength. Only stable steel moves ahead. Automation enhances consistency without replacing skill. Every movement is measured and repeatable. Machines carve precision where hands once measured. Digital checks reinforce physical accuracy. Time and motion create uniform finishes. Automation organizes the final steps. Technology pauses where human touch matters. Here, experience guides the final form. Hands restore what machines prepare. Surface finish defines everyday comfort. Balance is felt, not measured.
Details separate good from exceptional.
Identity is permanently marked. Function is confirmed by feel. Perfection must be proven. Accuracy is verified in numbers.
Sharpness must meet exact standards. Finish reflects discipline.
Durability is tested against time.
Consistency is felt in the hand.
Quality is documented and sealed.
Now, the product prepares to leave the factory.
Protection preserves craftsmanship beyond the factory.
Every detail is guarded. Identity travels with every box. Completeness is confirmed one last time. Order prepares products for travel. Stability ensures safe delivery. Finished tools await their destination.
Distribution begins at the loading dock. Decades of skill move outward from here.